Welcome to Tech Talks, your guide to creating an accessible classroom through technology.
Today I'm going to be going through Microsoft OneNote and specifically how to use the tags feature for students to stay organized and to improve their note-taking skills. So first I'm just going to go over OneNote a little bit just to give everyone a briefing on what it is and how to use it. So Microsoft OneNote is essentially a digital binder. So as you can see here in the top middle of the screen, this is my semester 2 binder. And if we go over here to where I'm hovering now, these are the subjects that I've organized for myself and for my digital binder that I'm taking this semester. So we have English, math, drama, anthro, psych, and soc. And then if you go through each of the tabs that you would essentially have in your binder, you can see there are different pages that have units or other reminders that are going on in that course. So that's just a little overview of what I've created and how your students can organize their digital binder. But we're going to go over specifically the tags feature. So I've created an agenda page right here. So students can do something like this to have all of their notes for the agenda, their to-do list, tasks, anything that they want to remind themselves of. They can have it right here in their digital binder. So in my agenda tab, I have started a little to-do list. And as you can see here, there are these little boxes which you can hover over and it says to do. So this is a tag in Microsoft OneNote. So if we go to the top of the screen here in the toolbar, there is this tags icon. And if you click on it, there are a bunch of options that you can use to help organize your notes. So I have just selected the first one, the to-do tag, to start off my agenda. So a couple items that I wanted to include. And then I also included an audio recording, which is something you can do in OneNote just to have a different kind of task in my agenda. So you can have it written or you can have an audio version of it, which is pretty cool. And let's say your students are making notes for their poetry unit and they're writing their notes and there's a few things that they want to highlight and remember. Rather than just using your basic highlighter, you can really specifically dive into what those notes are. So if something's really important to you and you're trying to remember it for a test, you can add the importance tag. Or if you have a question about something that you want to ask your teacher about, you can use the question tag right here. So you can add all of this specific information, which can really improve students' note-taking skills. So it can really remind them of those aha moments that they may have in class that your average highlighter might not be able to remember.